All right, everybody. Welcome back for another one. And I wanted to make a quick video real quick, basically talking about how to use the Ledger device for some certain projects or cryptos that don't have Ledger Live, right? So for those of you that don't know, right, the two are different. You can install a lot of different applications on your Ledger, but some of them you can't interact with using the Ledger Live application. So for the ones that you can't do that, it's going to work very similarly as to this Elastos one, which I'm going to cover right now. So first and foremost, with Elastos, what you're going to need is you install the application on the Ledger device, but you're also going to need this Elastos Lite wallet is what it's called. So this is basically like the same thing as Ledger Live, but specifically for Elastos. So you want to watch an in-depth video on all of this, you can go ahead and check out this right here. This guy's name is Michael. He runs the Houston supernode for Elastos. This is him on Twitter if you want to go ahead and follow him as well. It's at Elastos_Houston. But anyway, he does a full tutorial walking through this. I'm not going to do that. But come over to this page right here, how to use your Ledger device with the Elastos Lite wallet. Google search that. I'm sure you'll find it. But what you're going to need to do is come down to here. Like he says, you need to install Ledger device, you need to have Ledger Live open, and then you install the Elastos wallet, and then you're going to need this Elastos Lite wallet as well. So just click this and follow the link. It'll take you to this page. Elastos Lite wallet over here on GitHub. You want to download this one that says Elastos Lite wallet setup 101 exe. Get that one installed, and what it does is it will bring you to this page, right? So to get to that second page, all you're going to need to do is first open the application, right? And this will be the first page you have here. And then you go to your Ledger device and you open the Elastos application, and down here in the bottom right, it will say Ledger connected once the application is open, and then you just click that and it will take you right to this page. And this will pull up, give you all your send and receives. You got staking over here on the left, very easy to use. You click that, and then you go and you vote. So this is how you do voting, staking, all of that right on your Ledger device. Right. So if you want to have that security, that's how you get it done. All right. So for Hedera, honestly, to me, it's too complicated for it to even be worth it. I don't have some massive amount of Hedera in my opinion, and basically the way you have to do it is just too much. But anyway, if you want to learn, so just search for how do I set up Ledger Nano S and X for use with the HBAR crypto. Search that. I'm sure you'll find this page. It gives you all the step-by-step instructions. But this is not, in my opinion, necessary. I don't know, because so basically what you have to do is you have to get your public key, you have to create an account ID on the Hedera mainnet. They have all these different steps, and that's because, like I've shown you before, Hedera is supposed to be a compliant crypto project. So basically anyone who's allowed to create an account on the Hedera mainnet has to verify who they are, per se. So the first step would be create the account via this Hedera portal. I wouldn't want to do that one just because it makes you go through the KYC process. We'll probably eventually have to do this, but right now I just don't feel it's necessary. So what I've chosen to do with my Hedera instead is download this, what it's called the Atomic Wallet. So if you just search for atomicwallet.io, it should take you right to the Atomic Wallet website, and then you want to click this download in the upper right hand corner, right? Very easy to use wallet. Has basically every crypto you can think of. So it's just another way to basically diversify where your crypto is held. That's what I like to do. I have multiple ledgers, and then I also have this Atomic Wallet now, and so on. But also the Atomic Wallet, it has staking built into it as well, and this is the page where you can see all the different staking that is available. So they have Zilliqa, Cardano, the Atomic Wallet token itself, Icon, Cosmos, Tezos, Tron, Band, Neo, Komodo, Algorand, and VeChain. All of them are available for staking right in the Atomic Wallet, easy to use. So if you want to, like me, diversify and have your ledgers and also other wallets, I like doing that just because of risk mitigation. Who knows what can happen, right? So I don't like having all my crypto in one spot. But anyway, it also shows you over here on the right hand side the yearly staking returns you can get. So this is all very cool. I like the setup, and like I said, easy to use. It looks like right now the Atomic Wallet token itself too is giving 20% annual returns. I didn't even know this was a thing, so that's something I might look into as well. But all right, so there you have it. My personal opinion. I don't think it's necessary to link your Hedera with the Ledger. You can get very good security in this Atomic Wallet as well. So not a big deal. All right, Elastos, very easy to use with the Ledger. I like that. And then last but not least, somebody had asked me as well where to get Quantstamp. Well, so if you come over to CoinMarketCap and click the Market tab, it will show you all the different trading pairs that are out there. The majority of the volume for Quantstamp can be found on regular Binance. If you're in the US, technically you can't use Binance. So honestly, crypto is like really hard to get. Supposedly you can get it on Uniswap, but I went over to that and tried to search for the token and it said it wasn't active as well. So I don't know. It only has 5,000 in daily volume on Uniswap. It looks like the easiest place to get it is this Gate.io exchange. So as a US citizen, you can use this Gate.io. So I guess that would be the easiest place to get Quantstamp. I don't have an account there, and I'm not necessarily excited enough to even go over there and set one up for Quantstamp. So I don't know if I'll be getting some. I mentioned before that I might. I thought that it could be a sleeper, but ultimately, I don't know. This just isn't attractive to me. There's not really anywhere to get it, and I don't like that. So that's also going to be the driver in the price action. It's easy to get to. I don't know about Quantstamp. Not really worth it to me, personal opinion, but since it is an Ethereum token, most likely you can get it on any Ethereum decentralized exchange. So whether that be 0x, Kyber, Uniswap, and so on, should be in there, but I'm not sure. That's something you might want to check out, see if there's any volume from. But all right, a little bit of a different video today. Not much going on in the news, and I had some friends asking me a couple questions how to set this stuff up. So there you have it. Hope that was informative. As always, please like and subscribe, share with your friends and family, and stay tuned for the next one. Thanks.
What is a cashless society? What does it actually mean in a literal or high-level sense?
Money will become like these, relics of a different age, and will only be found in places like this. In other words, hard cash will disappear. It will become electronic, transferred by things like these.
Then Tracy is in Beijing to show us what a nearly cashless society actually looks like. Ben, good morning.
Mobile payment transactions in China reached a cumulative total of 277.4 trillion RMB in 2018, ranking #1 in the world, according to the recently released statistical report on internet development in China. As of June 2019, online payment users in the country reached 633 million. The cashless society is now approaching.
When's the last time you paid with cash? Well, chances are cash has taken a backseat to the plastic in your wallet and smartphone pay apps.
Denver 7's Ryan Luby explains the digital pay revolution and why not everyone is on board.
The cashless society, the cashless society.
The cashless society.
The cashless society is now approaching.
The cashless society.